If you're getting started in online business and trying to create multiple passive income streams, I want to show you exactly how I've been able to create several different passive income streams that are making me an average of $275 a day. This has been amazing and has grown pretty exponentially lately. So I want to show you each one of my income streams and how they add up to that amount and how they're broken down. And by the end of this video, you're going to have a good idea of some very specific ways that you can get started making passive income. If you don't know who I am, my name's Lane. Welcome to my channel. I love helping entrepreneurs get their message out and make a great income doing it. So one of the ways that I want to do that, in addition to this video, is I want to give you my free, super simple guide to your first $500 online. It outlines the main ways in very simple steps how I was able to do this. So go to lanesebring.com/super simple and you can pick that up for free. It's my gift to you. So what I want to do is I want to show you how my income has broken down through the year. This is year to date, and we're about 1 week into June right now, and you can see how these things have broken down. So there are 5 basic passive income streams, and then a 6th one, which we'll call client work, which is not passive. So I want to start with digital products. This is the largest category. So 42% of my income is digital products. This is like online courses and membership sites. This is a lot of what I talk about in the super simple guide that is yours at lanesebring.com/super simple. It's teaching people how to do what you know, what you have expert knowledge in. And so 42% year to date of my income has made up of that. And we're going to get into each one of these and break them down a little bit more specifically later in this video. But I want to show you kind of big picture right now, and then we'll go through each of these. Next up, the second largest is one of my favorite ways to make passive income, and that is affiliate sales. This is so exciting to me because affiliate sales is when you literally just talk about a product or service or software and you point people to it so that they can use it themselves. And when you refer someone to use a product or a software, you get paid. And sometimes you get paid recurring for as long as they're a customer, which is pretty cool. So 36% of my income year to date has come from affiliate sales. Next up is book royalties. Just shy of 7% has come from book royalties. I have 2 books, and I love helping people self-publish their books. I've got a lot of content on this channel about self-publishing, and my books still make me a few $100s every month, which is really exciting and fun. And then finally, YouTube AdSense at 5%. So those are the 4 main pieces of passive income. And then client work, this is my one-on-one coaching and consulting and also speaking, and that has made up 10% of my income this year. And if you know anything about me and my channel, one of the things that I'm always trying to do is grow all of this, all of the passive income sources I want to see grow. And eventually I would love for client work to maybe remain at 10% or less, and all of this stuff just grow exponentially as the numbers grow. Maybe the percentages don't change all that much, but if the amounts grow, that would be really cool. So in these charts, we've broken down all of these different income streams. So book royalties, remember this made up 6.8% total. Of this, you can see what percentage is paperback, what percentage is ebook, what percentage is audio, and what percentage is KENP. Affiliate sales breakdown. So remember, affiliate sales is 36% of my year-to-date income, and 53% of that is Amazon. My Amazon affiliates has just blown up lately, which has been really, really cool. A big part of that is because on this channel, every Monday, I do a product review of something that either helps me in my online business and can help you, or something that just makes my life better and as a result makes my business better, makes me better at life and better at business. So I review all kinds of things, but most of them are tech. And when people click on those and buy those, I get paid from Amazon, which is really cool. Kajabi, I'm a huge fan of Kajabi. Kajabi makes all of this possible, and especially when I talk about the digital products. So if you're looking to get into digital marketing in any way where you're going to sell online courses, have a membership site, have an email list, all that kind of thing, you need to be on Kajabi. I have a lot of videos on this channel about Kajabi. But if you want to check out Kajabi for yourself, you can actually try it out for free at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And with that, you get the free trial that Kajabi offers, and you get all of their amazing resources and benefits to use completely for free to set up your online business and see if you like it. And also, you get my $25,000 course launch email template, which is the exact emails and the email strategy and launch strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made $25,000 in the first 3 launches. So I want to put that in your hands if you're interested in Kajabi, and that is an affiliate link. So from that, I've been able to make 41% and serve a lot of people because I think that Kajabi is the best online platform there is. So when people get on there, I can help them be successful and we all win, which is really cool. Buzzsprout, that's my podcast hosting, that's 3.3%. And then ConvertKit was a email service provider that I used to promote. It's still really great, and I still have some affiliates that are coming in from that. So that's my affiliate breakdown, and all together, affiliates were 36%, and that's how they break down. So we go to YouTube. YouTube is just 5%. And it's about 50-50, 50% on my Preaching Donkey channel, which is a channel for pastors to help them communicate better, and then 49% here at Lane Sebring. Digital products breakdown. So the reason why 81% is courses and only 18% is my membership site is because I just launched the membership site about 2 months ago. And so it just hasn't had time to catch up. But eventually, I would love for these numbers to be about 50-50, with 50% of my income coming from the courses and 50% from the membership site, but we're just not there yet. I have 2 courses, 2 online courses. One of them is a mini course and one of them is a flagship course. And then I have the membership site. Again, all of this is hosted and managed completely on Kajabi, which is really cool and really helpful. And then client work breakdown. So 10% of it is from speaking, 89% is from coaching. And so this is coaching and consulting. This is anytime I do one-on-one coaching with clients, which is something that I offer, and I've helped a lot of people with their businesses if you're interested in that. So what I've experienced is that all of these numbers are just kind of rising together. So when I look at what I've made daily over the last couple years of being in business, and then what I've made daily, my daily income over the last few months just continues to be up and to the right, which is really exciting. And I just wanted to show you this because I remember starting in online business years ago, just trying to figure out, how do I create any passive income at all? Like, what do I do? How do I do this? And I would watch people like Pat Flynn, and I would watch people like Ryan Daniel Moran, and I would watch other people, Amy Porterfield and Stu McLaren, and I would just think, can I do this? Could I possibly turn this into a full-time income? And what I have found is that there's a few ways that just make the magic happen. One of them is creating multiple streams of income, because eventually what happens is if you have 4 or 5 different passive streams of income, those kind of all start to grow together. Maybe one really takes off and these are kind of hanging out, but then eventually everything kind of rises together and you can really see what's working and double down on it. So maybe you write a book and it just does incredibly well. So you write another book with it, and you write another book and write another book. And I know people who have done this and are making a really good living and getting their message out in their books and loving every second of it. So maybe that's what you do. Or maybe online courses. Maybe you do a course and then people go through it and they really like it, but they have questions about something else. So you make another course and they go through that and they really like it, but they have more questions. So you make a membership site. These are the kind of things that I've done. It was course number 1, course number 2, membership site. It's a natural flow. And before you know it, you have multiple products, multiple streams of income, and you have choices that people can choose from that want to go deeper with your content. But all of this starts with a determination to make something happen online. And with that, I want to help you. So definitely go grab the super simple guide, lanesebring.com/super simple. That will get you started. And also be sure to check out this playlist right here, where I'm going to actually break down how to get started with each one of these passive income streams. So click right there on that playlist and I'll see you in there and we'll talk more about it there.